Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapter physics 10th or class of 10th chapter light, reflection and refraction. Light, reflection and a refraction. Before going to start the chapter, the first question arises, what is light? लाइट क्या है? इट इज़ ए मीडिया इन विच वी कैन सी द ऑब्जेक्ट, यानी वो मीडिया जिसमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम देख सकते हैं. हाउ वी कैन सी द ऑब्जेक्ट? व्हेन द लाइट फॉल ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट, द लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट एंड विद दैट लाइट फॉल इन आवर आईज, सो वी कैन सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज लाइट? इट इज ए मीडियम और मीडिया in which we can see the object. That is called light. It is also called electromagnetic waves. Light is also called electromagnetic waves, but it is the media in which we can see the object, that is called light. In this chapter, we will study about the two phenomena of the light, which is reflection of light and refraction of light. And other one phenomena is also occurred, dispersion of light. So, how many phenomena of light? How many phenomena of light? There are three phenomena of light. A reflection of light, a refraction of light, and the third one is dispersion of light. These are the three phenomena of light: reflection of light, refraction of light, and dispersion of light. First, we will study about the reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Reflection of light. It means when a ray of light falls on a reflecting surface, shiny surface, it strikes and comes back into the same media. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम मिरर में अपने इमेज देखते हैं, तो मिरर से इमेज टकराती है तो लाइट के द्वारा, और उससे फिर हमारा इमेज दोबारा मतलब मिरर से इमेज बनता है. तो क्यों बना? क्योंकि मिरर का जो सरफेस है, एक सरफेस तो पॉलिश्ड है और एक उसका शाइनी सरफेस है. इसी प्रकार से रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट क्या होता है? When a ray of light strike at a shiny surface, it comes back into the same media. जिस मीडिया में से गई थी उसी मीडिया में वापस आ गई, नहीं उसके दूसरी तरफ चली गई. इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. When a ray of light strikes at a shiny surface, after reflection, it comes back into the same medium or same media. This phenomena is known as reflection of light. मतलब मिरर से आप देखिए, मिरर के एक तरफ पॉलिश्ड होता है, दूसरी तरफ शाइनी सरफेस, इधर हम इमेज देखते हैं, तो वहां से टकरा करके जैसे हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, सनलाइट की तरफ लेकर आते हैं, सनलाइट की रेज से टकराती है, वापस उसका रिफ्लेक्शन जाता है. तो इसी कारण से यानी वो दूसरी तरफ नहीं जाती, दूसरे मीडिया में नहीं जाती. इसमें क्या होता है कि रे ऑफ लाइट किसी शाइनी सरफेस से टकराती है, वापस उसी मीडिया में आ जाती है. इस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर गिवन ए प्लेन मिरर. It is a plane mirror. It has two surfaces. One is reflecting and other one is polished. This is the polished surface, and this surface is known as reflecting surface. Suppose a ray of light comes from the sun or from the source of light. It strikes at the shiny surface and comes back into the same media. Not pass through the object, not pass this object. This phenomena is known as reflection of light. Is that clear? अब उसके बाद आता है कि what are the laws of reflection of light? Laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. कौन कौन से? First one, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflex. Means angle I is equal to angle R. And second phenomena is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal at and the normal at incident point all lies in same ray. You can say that this is a plane mirror. This surface is polished. A ray of light comes from the light source. It strikes at this point and comes back into the same medium. The ray which comes from the light source या source of light, वो रे जो source of light से आती है, कौन सी? यही आई है ना. इस रे को बोलते हैं इंसिडेंट रे. इंसिडेंट रे. The ray of light which comes from the source of light, that is called incident ray. And the ray of light which strikes and comes back into the same media, that is called reflecting ray or reflected ray. And the point at which the ray of light strikes at the shiny surface, this is called incident point. Clear? When we draw the perpendicular at incident point, this is the normal और perpendicular. Clear? अब उसके बाद इसमें दो एंगल बनते हैं. दो एंगल कौन से? एक तो इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल के बीच में, ये वाला, और दूसरा नॉर्मल और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे के बीच में. There are two angles are formed between this phenomena. One is the angle which is formed incident ray and the normal, that is called angle of incidence. Angle I. Angle of incidence. That clear? The angle which is formed by the incident ray and normal, that is called angle of incidence. And the angle which is formed between the normal and reflected ray, it is called angle of reflection. Is that clear? What is incident ray? The ray of light which comes through the source of light. Is that clear? Incident point, the point at the shiny surface at which the incident ray strikes. And the ray of light which comes back into the same media after reflection, that is called reflecting ray. When we draw the normal or perpendicular at incident point, we can see that there are two angles are formed. One angle which is formed between the incident ray and normal, that is called angle of incidence, means angle I. And the second angle which is formed between the normal and reflected ray, that is called angle of reflection, it means angle R. Thus, we are solving that laws of reflection of light. What are the laws of reflection of light? There are two laws. First one, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. First law is, you can also write that angle I is equal to angle R. जितनी इस एंगल I की वैल्यू की, सपोज कि ये 30 डिग्री का है, ये भी कितने का हुआ, 30 डिग्री. Is that clear? So this is the first law. What is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. And the second law, incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lies at the same plane. यानी angle normal at incident point all lies in same plane. इसी plane पे है. Incident ray है तो भी यही, reflected ray गई तभी इसे, normal है तो भी इसे. तो second law क्या है, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at incident point all lies at the same plane. Incident ray, reflected, normal at incident points, all lies in same plane. This is the second law of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. But which one first? Angle I is equal to angle R, and second one is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal at incident point all lies in same plane. Clear?